the last 1 month, it's like they drill each and every concept in your brain. You shouldn't be missing out on any lecture during the last 1 month. I mean, it's a game changer. For me, that was a game changer. Until June, I was passing time. I didn't study as much as I wanted. So, the ma'am and sir, they're like very thorough with their advice, and if you follow that, I think there is nothing else that can stop you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Light Expertise. I'm Dr. Sadami, one of the members of Light Expertise, and today we have with us PU. Hi PU, welcome to Light Expertise and congratulations on clearing your opera exam. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Uh, Mainly sleepless, but overall feeling great. Uh, I I couldn't believe myself when I saw my phone. I mean, so yeah, I previously gave caps in July last year. So that result came first. It appeared as unsuccessful, and I had to scroll a little to see this. So the moment I saw the previous result, I had a heart attack. I had to scroll down to see this one. So, yeah, it's been a long wait since last year. It was a bit of a struggle. I had to go through my personal psychology and the way I was thinking and everything. I had to rework everything for me to able to write caps this time. So after seeing an unsuccessful result last year, it just didn't keep my heart in place, you know. It was quite low. I didn't have the confidence. I had to build it up to be able to face the exam again this time. Though it's been a long time since then, I had to go through my personal journey to be able to get here. But personally, thanks to everyone, to you, to sir and ma'am, and everybody who's been with me, all my peers in this group. They were very supportive, very helpful. Everyone was very helpful and kind to each other. I think this goes to them as well. Having a good support system also makes a huge difference in your, preparation. So yeah, I'll thank everyone for this. This is not just my success, it's everybody's.
Okay, tell us more about yourself. Where did you study from? What did you study?
Well, I've done my Doctor of Pharmacy and I graduated in 2019. I've done it from Hyderabad, from Anurag Group of Institutions, which is associated with JNTU. So, yeah, since 2019, I've been through a lot of ups and downs and a little bit of a career change in between. But I don't know, somehow I got back to pharmacy again. And thanks to Arif sir and Harika ma'am, they've invoked that, interest in pharmacy again. So, yeah, thanks to them and thanks to all the team peers peers from my July batch as well. Abu Zar, and there is another close friend of mine, Satya, from that batch, and you as well, and a lot of other people like Divyanshi and yeah, etc. I'm not able to recollect names at this moment right now. Yeah, Amit. Yeah, Amit was very close. He was very helpful. He sort of messaged me before my exam this time as well, so that was very sweet of him. Coming to people from this batch, there is Syed and Samir as well, who were very close, who were constantly in touch with me this time.
Okay, so why did you choose Australia as your final destination?
Well, the world is melting at this moment. Except Australia, every other continent right now is melting down. I thought Australia was the safest option. US, I didn't want to look at it. Canada was also kind of tricky. It's pretty cold. Weather wise. I don't like colder climate. And UK, it's a bit of a struggle to get a PR later because it's a long wait time. And Europe was another idea of mine, which is, Ireland to be specific. But I didn't know the process exactly to be a pharmacist over there. Thanks to Elite, I think they have introduced a new course for PSI for Ireland.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
wish I knew this before. Maybe I would have looked at this, but I think now I'm fixed to Australia. Now that I passed CAPS, sorry, Opera.
Opera. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, how did you
So
come in contact
Australia,
with Elite?
weather-wise and everything, it's nice. My
Right.
family also a little part of my family also stays in Australia. So yeah.
Okay. So, how did you come in contact with Elite Expertise and why did you choose Elite?
Well, YouTube. I mean, we
Mm-hmm.
can see a lot of content coming from Elite.
Right.
Uh,
Right.
well, back in 2024, I mean, the beginning of
Mm-hmm.
2024, beginning, in December, I think, I saw a lot of videos coming in from Elite Expertise. I mean, there were other competitors on YouTube. Uh, uh, that is where I got to know about CAPS to begin with, or the pharmacy licensure exam in Australia. It was very helpful. I saw Arif sir's free lecture on, I think, congestive heart failure, if I'm not wrong. Uh, so I was thoroughly impressed. The moment I
Okay.
saw that video, I'm like, I need to get my training from this platform. There is
Mm-hmm.
nowhere else I should be looking at because he explained it so beautifully. I just, I just fell in love with the subjects. It started a little bit of an interest. I wanted to learn a lot more from Arif sir, and then I think there was a demo lecture from Harika ma'am as well. I think
Mm-hmm.
she spoke about autonomic nervous system. I think
Right.
in the demo one. Yeah, I remember seeing that as well, and I'm like, there is nowhere else I should be looking at. And obviously, they both are registered pharmacists in Australia, so it's
Right.
like even more. It adds to the credit.
Okay. Now, let's come to Opera exam. So, how was your preparation? How did you prepare yourself for this exam?
To be very honest, um, like I said, the previous exam had an impact on me, but thanks to people like you, my uh, peers from the group, um, they helped me, to push through, to be positive throughout the journey. I started off by listening to ma'am's lectures. Just if you don't know where to start, just start by attending the live lectures. That is
Mhm.
where you should start for sure, without fail. When you listen to ma'am explaining and breaking down the concept for you, that is the best start, and that is what helped me as well. I made sure that I didn't miss one single live lecture, even if
Mhm.
it was like a couple of days from the exam. I didn't want to miss even one single lecture. And obviously, ma'am and sir, they keep tirelessly repeating. My first suggestion is, if you are lost, I would suggest you to start attending the live lectures. That is where it all begins. When ma'am and sir, they start breaking down the concept, you will have that interest to go further. And ma'am and sir, they keep repeating this thing: listen to the lecture 3 times and keep doing your mocks continuously. So take that advice. I mean, I don't want to give a bad advice, but yeah, I did practice mocks, but not as many times as was suggested. But to anyone who is preparing for Oprah, I would suggest yes, do the mocks as many times as possible, because that will help you strengthen your concept a lot more. And the handouts and the workbooks that are provided by Elite, they help you tremendously, because there are several questions from there as well that will help you, strengthen your basics. That is what they're testing with Oprah to begin with. They want to see how well versed you are with the basic concepts. So that is what Elite is providing through and through. And calculations is what everyone fears. So, like what ma'am keeps repeating all the time, the moment you have to put the pen on the paper, otherwise you will not be able to do it. So take that advice. That is like a solid advice. There's nothing else you can do with calculations. You have to put the pen on the paper and keep practicing that calculation several times. So the ma'am and sir, they're like very thorough with their advice, and if you follow that, I think there is nothing else that can stop you. Yeah.
So, how many hours did you study at the end?
Whoa. In the end, I could barely get any sleep, because for India, the classes started a little early, from 7 in the morning until 7 in the evening. So it sometimes used to be that long. But yeah, obviously, there were breaks in between. But the last 1 month, it's like they drill each and every concept in your brain. You shouldn't be missing out on any lecture during the last 1 month. I mean, it's a game changer. For me, that was a game changer. Until June, I was passing time. I didn't study as much as I wanted.
Okay, so do you have any tips for our future opera aspirants?
Well, the tips are what everyone keeps repeating all the time. Attend the live lectures, guys. Attend the live lectures, do your mocks, do your calculations, practice your calculations, and oh my god, I wanted to say this dialogue for so long. I'm finally able to say it. But yeah, that is a solid piece of advice. You have to listen, keep listening to the recordings. Thankfully, there are recordings, so you do not have to worry. Even if you're busy, if you're working, you will be able to listen to the recording. And yeah, I mean, you Elite gives you all the material. It's just that you need to find the time within you to be able to go through everything and to equip yourself. You are presented with everything. It's you who will be utilizing all of that material and yeah, pass the exam, ace it.
Okay, thank you so much, Piyu, for your time and all the very best for your future. We hope to see you soon in Australia and clear your intern, written, and your oral exam and become a fully, completely registered pharmacist. All the very
Thank you so
best.
much for
Thank
thinking
you
of me.
so much. All the very best. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.